So Bitchat app is not on the App Store. So this is a Jack Dorsey app. I think at the beginning I didn't think this is like was the original Jack Dorsey app, but that's just what it is. Bitchat operates through Bluetooth mesh networks, which means that users can send messages to others within the range of Bluetooth connectivity, usually around 100 meters without cell reception or Wi-Fi connection. User experience is very limited. No login system. You're immediately brought to an instant messaging box where you can see what nearby users are saying. And like this app is getting so much hype. Honestly, I don't understand why. So I just downloaded it. So, but obviously, because it's built by Jack Dorsey, everyone is talking about it. So this is the app. It's in top 8 in categories. As you can see, yeah, it's coolly built by Jack Dorsey's account, and this is how it looks like. Very minimal interface. And what else they have in TechCrunch? So the concept of Bluetooth powered messaging apps is not new. So Telegram, all of these apps has this Bluetooth feature. When even you don't have Wi-Fi, you can enable Bluetooth and send messages to people around you, like 100, 200 meters. Dorsey advertised Bitchat as a secure private messaging platform when it went live for beta use earlier this month. And then, like security researcher pointed out in a blog post that it's easy to impersonate other users, people within Bitchat. In cryptography, details matter. A protocol that had the right vibes can have fundamental substance flaws that compromise everything it claims to protect. There can be vulnerabilities. So that's just what it is. It's only on the App Store. You can download it from the GitHub if you wanna to use it on Google Play Store. And that's just what you have. So let's just take a look then of the app. So here's how the app looks like. You have your your menu. If you tap on this Bitchat logo, you have your menu. And then if you tap on your account, this is just how you can edit your username. But there is no login, there is no anything. And then you can just go and just type a message. And then this is how it appears. But then you have network, and these are the people who also have this app and Bluetooth enabled in the radius of like 100 meters or so. So this is just the idea. And then you have Bitchat, you have offline what is that? Offline communication, end-to-end encryption, extended range, messages relay through peers, going the distance, favorites, get notified when your favorite people join, mentions, use nickname to notify specific people, no tracking, no servers, accounts, or data collection, new peer ID generated regularly, triple tap logo to instantly clear all data, panic mode. So just set your nickname by tapping it, swipe left for sidebar, tap appear to start private chat, use nickname to mention someone, triple chat to clear. So like here you have it. As you can see, you can just tap and change your username. And then you can mention someone, you can tap on that name to start messaging someone. But again, this is not over Wi-Fi. This is kind of the app built on Bluetooth, so that person should be in your Bluetooth range. Therefore, probably it's nice idea to use this app probably in San Francisco, whatever, some Silicon Valley city where a lot of nerds gonna try it out, or like New York. But yeah, if you're in Europe or traveling, nobody probably is just using it. Or you can try it out with your friends or parents just to check it out, or with your nerd friends. So yeah, I don't know, like what is mesh? Mesh, I don't know, it's some kind of, seems like some kind of another protocol. So Jack Dorsey kind of also co-founded this Blue Sky app, which is based on IT protocol, kind of decentralized social media. So maybe there is something to it in here where you have some kind of decentralized protocol, which is mesh. I don't know. So you can read about this protocol. What is that? So Bitchat is decentralized peer-to-peer message that works over Bluetooth. Uh, so that's what it is. You can see that it was released as a beta in July 7th. And then you can see that it's a modern cryptographic foundation with a flexible application protocol at its core. Bitchat leverages noise protocol framework to establish mutually authenticated end-to-end encrypted sessions between peers. Bitchat uses a binary protocol optimized for Bluetooth LE with TTL-based message routing. So you can read in here. So there is identity management, there is encryption, user experience, and then here there are some things which you can try. Oh, is it nickname? I don't know. Some people say you can actually just tap on the message and then you can just send a private message. If you just tap on this account, that's how you send a private message. You can send a hug. You can send slap. You can block user. So and that's what you have in here. So something like that. And so something around it. Again, you need to be in the area where a lot of people are using this. So that's just what it is. Yeah, you can't find it on Android. It's only on Google Play Store. So that's just what you have. So if you just try to so if you just try to search it in here, there are a lot of fake apps, and you need probably, if you want to use it on Android and a bit more tech savvy, you need to basically to use it from GitHub. So install it from GitHub repository. So as you can see, these are all fake apps in here. So don't download them and do not share your data with them. So that's just what you have. What do you think, guys? Have you tried it? Do you like this app?